Coming down south, my parents were kind of afraid that I would forget my religion and forget where I came from. So I think one of the things that made them confident that I would remember that I was Jewish was that there was a Hillel on campus. When I was looking at schools, my dad didn't want me to come to Elon because he thought that because of the background of the fighting Christians, he thought that there was no Jewish population.
Actually enhanced my religion. I've become more religious at college than I was at home thanks to Hillel.
Having a small Jewish population makes it more special, I think.
People seem genuinely interested to learn.
And learning about other people's religions and giving information about our religion is just a good conversation to have.
Before I went to Israel, I was never embarrassed to be Jewish, but I was never really proud of it either. It's a much bigger part of me now that I've been to Israel.
I celebrate Shabbat more often than I did back before I went to Israel. And for me, Israel is a very big part of my life now.
I think most people didn't really go to Hillel that much before they went. It's like us. We went for some of the major events or just the bagel brunches. But people have now started going more regularly after Israel. Like we talked to our friends when we were on our way to Shabbat services, so were they at their Hillel, so that was cool. My favorite was when we arrived at Jerusalem. We didn't know what to expect, and we got off the bus to this, I don't even know how to describe it, was just this patio, and it was right at sundown and overlooked the whole old city of Jerusalem, and like all the lights were all in the city, and there was like music playing and everyone was singing and dancing. And right when we got in, our tour guide, he said welcome home, and it was just the coolest feeling ever.
We got the chills and we just all started, I think some of us cried. We were dancing and singing, and we said like the Shekianu, which is the prayer for like your first time doing something, anything, and I think it just all felt so together. I think I just feel a strong connection to Jews everywhere. I think that being Jewish is something you have in common with Jews from anywhere, and that's something just hard to explain to anyone who's not Jewish.
I don't have anything to add on to that. She said it perfectly.